Hello all and welcome again to the C classes. Hope you all have done the program which I gave you in the last class. We'll continue with the today's class. In today's class we are going to see about multi-dimensional arrays. Two-dimensional arrays specifically. Two-dimensional arrays are called matrices. We are going to handle with two-dimensional arrays in our class. Today's program we are going to get input of two-dimensional arrays or matrices from the user, and we are going to add them. So let's get started. I am going to create a file and name it mat.c hash include stdio.h. So my main is not returning anything. For declaring two-dimensional arrays, you have to follow the following syntax: data type, your array name, and number of rows and number of calls. So this is how you declare a two-dimensional array. As I have already told you, two-dimensional array are called matrices, and matrices consist of rows and columns. If you want to access your two-dimensional array, you have to follow the syntax: array name, name of the row with name of the column. This is how you access a two-dimensional array element. If I want to access third row second element of array A, I have to specify it like this. So this will give me the third row second element of array A. So first let us declare a two-dimensional array. I'll name it array. Size of my array will be 10 and 10. For inputting value into a two-dimensional array, you need two for loops. For two for loops, you need two loop counters. Why you need two for loops is that you need to keep track of the number of row and number of columns in the same time. So you need two for loops. First, we are going to get the order of the matrix from the user. So enter order. For getting order, we need two more variables. I am keeping it as m and n. M specifies the number of row and n specifies the number of columns. I am getting it through scanf. And after getting the order, I am asking the user to enter the elements. So now I am going to use two for loops. There goes my first for loop. I've done a mistake here, which is our first for loop will keep track of the number of rows. So number of rows is m. So first for loop must start from 0 and end at m, and our second for loop must start from 0 and end at n. So this is how our for loop looks like. So in the scanf statement, ampersand array I. This is how you get input of an two-dimensional array. We need another two-dimensional array for performing addition. So I'll name it array1 10 10, and its order will go like m and n1. Now I have to get the input of the second array. I'll fast forward the video until I finish all the basic steps. Now I'm getting the inputs of second matrices order. We know the basic rule of matrix addition. If both the orders of the matrix are same, only then the addition operation can be performed. So we have to check the condition. If m equal to m1, that is number of rows in matrix 1 is equal to number of rows in matrix 2, and number of columns in matrix 1 is equal to number of columns in matrix 2 are equal, then only we are going to get input from the user. Printf. So that's it for inputting values in array 1. Now we have to add the two array elements. For adding and storing the result, we are going to declare another array. We are going to name it res. This is a resultant array. Before adding, we'll display both the array values. This is for displaying the first matrix. For displaying it in matrix format, we use the following formatting. So this will display as the first matrix in matrix format. After each row finishes, it will print a new line and print the next row elements in the next line. So I'll here pass a message. So similarly for matrix 2, we'll follow the same code. I'll fast forward the video. So these lines of code will print us the two matrices. Now we have to add the matrices. Now we are going to use the two for loops again. Here I am using m less than m and less than n as condition because both m and m1 and n and n1 are equal. It's not a problem if I use anything. Rest of ij will be array of ij plus array 1 of ij. So this is how our addition for loop looks like. In the position of 0 0 of resultant matrix, the value of array of 0 0 and value of array 1 of 0 0 will be added and stored in result of 0 0. Next, in position result of 0 1, the array value of array of 0 1 and array 1 of 0 1 will be added. I hope you remember how the inner for loop works. Only if the condition of j equal to 0 and j less than n executes to false, the i's value will be incremented. This is how the for loop works. So let's print the result now. Printf the resultant matrix is. We are going to use the same method for printing. So that's it for printing. Uh, Now you remember that we have mentioned here an if condition to check the order. For that if condition, we are going to write an else condition. If that condition evaluates false, I am going to tell the user that the orders are not same. So this will be our message. I'll comment these lines. I hope we are done with the code. I'll save it and compile it. It's compiling good. Enter the order 2 2. Enter 4 elements 1 2 3 and 4. Again 2 2 5 6 7 8. First matrix is 1 2 3 4. It's getting printed in matrix order. So second matrix 2n. So I have done something wrong in my printing. Never mind. So the second matrix 5 6 7 8 value is printed correctly. See the resultant matrix. 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10 and 4 plus 8 is 12. This is how we use two-dimensional arrays. I hope you understood how to use two-dimensional arrays. That's it for the concept of arrays. So the question for today is, you have to print a two-dimensional array, that is a matrix in its transpose form. I hope you know what transpose form is. Please do solve it. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos, and please do hit the like button if you like my teaching. Thank you.